Our mission is to replace heavily polluting motors with clean electric energy. We believe our technology is part of the solution for the sustainability of the Earth and humankind. Today's motor technology is dominated by two types of motor. The DC motor, invented by William Sturgeon in 1832, and the AC induction motor invented by Nikola Tesla in 1888. These two inventions are amongst the biggest technological advancements humanity has seen in the last 2 centuries. Motor technology is now found in almost all facets of daily life, ranging from electrical power distribution to home appliances. That said, we've been using the same 2 motor designs for the past 130 years with little deviation. All electric motors are comprised of a rotor, the part that moves, and a stator, the part that surrounds and propels the rotor. They also involve an electromagnet, otherwise called a coil. A coil is nothing more than a steel core with wire wound around it, but when you run current through it, it magnetizes. Magnets always have 2 opposing poles. The DC motor design is inefficient because it uses only one side of an electromagnet coil, and the other side is facing the motor housing, which also causes wasted energy in the form of heat. With induction motor technology, there is a stator that is wound in such a way that it creates a rotating magnetic field. Electromagnetic frequency causes the stator to turn. It is a clever design, but causes energy loss in the form of heat from electromagnetic turbulence. eUnity's goal is to rethink and innovate upon current electric motor technology. We have discovered a significant improvement on the current design. Our new motor is available in both standard and axial form. Our design harnesses the power of both poles of an electromagnet, causing less energy loss in the form of electrical turbulence and heat. eUnity's coil is horseshoe-shaped. When one side of the coil is fired, the other side automatically fires as well, allowing for clean energy transfer between stator and rotor. eUnity's coil has improved on efficiency by utilizing a conical pole, as opposed to the wide flat pole used in DC motors. The conical shape allows for a sharper focusing of magnetic energy to create stronger propulsion. The coils are fired in a synchronous and asynchronous pattern that allows for 4 coils to be fired constantly. There is constant draw from the supply without causing electrical turbulence or dirty energy, and all of the magnetic potential is being consumed without waste. eUnity's motor is demonstrating an over-unity condition, where it produces more energy than it consumes. In this scenario, we power 2 separate motors by driving a generator. Our motor shows an input power of 4,320 watts. It's driving 2 other motors. The blue motor is consuming 4,390 watts. The beige motor is consuming 4,255 watts. In summary, our motor is consuming 4,320 watts and providing 8,645 watts of power. The current combination shows an over-unity of 4,325 watts. In essence, it's producing twice the amount of power than it is consuming. We are a team of people with diverse talents and skills, working together for a better future. Collectively, we have the knowledge and experience to make a tangible difference.